Hey everyone, Cody here, back again with another Protocase Designer tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about instant quoting and purchasing directly through Protocase Designer. Once you're happy with your design and you're ready to get a quote, in the top right corner under the quote section, select Instant Quote and press Go. If you haven't already signed in to My Account yet, you'll get redirected to the login page in your browser where you'll need to enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be required to register for one. You can do so by pressing click here to register. If you're already signed in, after selecting Instant Quote and clicking Go, you'll get redirected to a web page with all of your quote information. Here you'll find all of the pricing information that you require. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll find an option to change the quantity and service level. With priority service, the lead time for your order will be 2 to 3 business days, while with economy service, it will be 10 to 15 business days. Make sure you click on Update so that the changes you've made reflect in your quote. You can also choose to have a summary of the quote emailed to you by pressing Email My Quote. Now maybe you want to experiment further and check for a quote on a different material. If that's the case, all you have to do is return to your design, make your changes, and press Quote again. One useful tip at this stage is to make a note of the quote numbers on your instant quote estimates. You can refer to this number while connecting with your Protocase account manager later on. Once you're happy with the enclosure and the price that it has been quoted at, you can proceed to place an order. To begin the purchase process, in Designer, we'll change our quote option from Instant Quote to Purchase and press Go. Here, a new web page will open with an easy step-by-step process to complete your order. First, you'll need to specify quantity and service level and press Generate Quote. At this stage, it's a good habit to review the price and check if it matches with your earlier quote. Once you are content with the price and the quantity, click Next. The next screen here will require you to review and edit your billing, shipping, technical, and purchase contacts. Click Next once you have your preferred contacts selected. It's then time to review your order in detail. At this point, ensure that all of the information is correct. Here you can take a few moments to review our terms and conditions, and you can also add some notes that you would like communicated with your order. If you're happy with your order, click on Submit. And that's it. Your order has been placed and you will come across a page with your order summary. You will also receive a confirmation email within a few minutes. If you haven't, make sure you check your spam folder. After this, a Protocase account manager will follow up personally with you to discuss methods of payment and finalize your order. That's all for quoting and ordering through Protocase Designer. If you have any questions or are having any issues with getting a quote or placing an order, send an email to info@protocasedesigner.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.